In this video, I'm going to show you how to recover recently deleted messages on your iPhone. This feature works on iOS 16 and later, and that is quite simple and easy to do. So let's begin. And first, open up your messages, then you can open up some conversation, and here let's delete some message. For that, I hold down on the message, hit more, and then hit on trash icon and hit next on delete message. Now this message has been removed, and to restore that message, all I have to do is to go back for a step to messages and there hit on filters. There I can hit on recently deleted, and there would be the list of all my recently deleted messages. These messages will save here up to 40 days, and here at the right next to conversation name you can see the count of day left until this message will be deleted. And now you can check mark two messages from that conversation and hit on recover, and then hit on recover two messages. That's how it works. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.